What's up, guys? So as you can probably see, I've got this cool little view back here that I love. There's nothing better than just hanging out and having a drink or just kicking back and enjoying it all. One thing I've always wanted is a way to enjoy it from a distance and check out what's all going back there in the hills. That's where this is going to come in handy. It's the new DJI Mavic Air 2. And it comes with their FLYMORE combo, which is basically just an add-on that's got extra batteries and a few other accessories. So we're gonna check it all out here in a second. I am actually filming this entire thing on the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is a similar gimbalized camera, but it's handheld and tiny with all kinds of accessories to go with it. Check out those videos. All right, let's see what's in the box. Little cellophane. Best part right here. Nice. So this is the FLYMORE combo, as I said, and it's got this new ASD/B AirSense. That's basically a little chip that lets it know when there's aircraft nearby and no fly zone. So it's kind of Big Brother's way of keeping you in check when you're flying your drone. That's something pretty much all consumer drones are going to have from here on out, unless they're super light. So it's something we're going to have to live with. This FLYMORE combo itself comes with a travel bag, the aircraft, the remote control, 3 USB cables, 3 flight batteries, a power adapter, AC adapter, 6 propellers, the charge adapter, the USB battery bank adapter, ND filter set, and 2 sets of control sticks, as well as the manual and a USB cable. Alright, so without further ado, check out this box one last time before it's unmolested, and let's open it up and see what's in there. So what we're greeted with is basically a carry pouch. Let's get this out of here. And in here, just the empty box, and here looks like we are going to have some paperwork. Let's see what's all in there before we explore the rest. This looks like the propellers. Here is the manual and everything. And looks like there's something else back there, so nope, that's it. All just fluff. Alright, so that's that. So we got the manual and extra propellers. This A and B side, looks like there's 6 of each total. Okay, so the main course. This is a nice little bag. It's kind of like a leathery feeling, almost like a vinyl. It almost reminds me of like a punching bag kind of material, something similar to that. So it's probably pretty durable. Kind of almost seems like it'd be a little waterproof even. All right, let's see what's up here first. Here we just have, it's like a little storage pocket. Nothing much in there. It's a official DJI branded bag. So it's got all the little tag and everything. All right, enough suspense. Let's open this up. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. Bam, there it is. This is my first time seeing this in person too, so I'm excited. Let's start with the accessories though. Here we have the box, which contains, let's find out. Oh, looks like some batteries. That's it. We have 2 batteries, it looks like. One here. One there. There's 2 batteries. Here is the charge adapter itself. Nice and compact. I had a Phantom 3 before, and the charge adapter was definitely larger. Here's just some protective foam. Don't know if I'll need that anymore, but I'll hang on to it for now. Here is the cord that charges everything. Let's grab this guy. So this looks like it's going to be the power charge adapter or power hub, and it is. So basically what this is going to do is make it to where you can plug in 3 of these batteries at once and just leave them there and let the charger do its thing. That way you don't have to keep coming back and unplugging them and switching them out. I don't know if it'll charge all 3 at once, or if it charges one and then when that's done it goes to the next and so on, but either way it's a lot easier than having to keep changing them out. Okay, so what all we got in here? Looks like next is the remote. Let's open this up. Wow, it's got a nice quality feel in the hands. The joysticks themselves are down here, so you actually just screw those in like so. One here. And the other there. It's definitely got a nice quality feel in the hand. It's small, but not too small, so it's actually just about right. I thought it looked a little too large in the photos compared to the old Mavic Pro style remotes that had the screen on the bottom, but holding it in person, I say it's just about right. Up here is where you put your phone, and this actually doubles as the antenna, so that's neat. You don't have the extra little antennas hanging around. This has the OcuSync 2.0 technology, so it's actually got super long range. I believe it said 7,000 kilometers, which is insane. Alright, so got the drone itself. Let's see what's all in here first. Looks like a little foam protector, some more foam. Feels like there's more stuff up here, but I'm not sure how to get to it yet. Oh, there we go. There we go. So there's a secret pocket up here. And in there, we've got some more goodies. Let's get them all out. Get this out of the way. So we have another set of the control sticks. So we have some for backup in case they're lost or damaged. This is the cables, it looks like. It's got USB-C on this side and micro USB over there. So these are just extra cables to connect your phone or device to the controller. This is a USB Type-C cable, probably just to charge the remote or whatnot. Then down here, this is actually a neat little thing that I thought was a good addition. It is a power bank adapter. So basically you take one of these batteries and it looks like plug it in there, and then essentially you can use one of these batteries as a USB power bank, which is good because a lot of times these batteries, if you don't fly it often, can just kind of sit there, and having a full battery can damage it. So it gives you a second use for these battery banks. You can deplete them a little by charging whatever device and then charge them back up, just to kind of keep the cells alive and everything. My old Phantom 3 batteries would actually self-discharge themselves after about 10 days just to make sure they didn't sit there stored fully charged for too long. So that's a good feature to have. Here we have, looks like it's going to be the ND filter set. So this is neat because, wow, those remind me a lot of the ND filters for this Osmo Pocket that's recording this right now. it's essentially sunglasses for your camera. So on a bright sunny day like this, when you would want to wear sunglasses on your eyes, this is going to do that for your camera. It kind of knocks the glare out of everything and smoothens everything out. The drone itself, it's super compact, but it feels really sturdy in the hand. It's got a quality feel to it for sure. You can tell it's well engineered. Down here it has this little gimbal protector. There's the notch that you just kind of lift up, and this gimbal protector comes off, letting the camera loose. How to open this up is, looks like, since this says A, I'm guessing this unfolds first, and then this side, B, unfolds first. Then again, A, but this side actually swivels back, doesn't just pull back. And then the same back here. Bam. That had a really quality feel to it. Kind of reminded me of like a switchblade knife or something with the really positive click. Kind of felt German, if that makes any sense. It just kind of had that kind of just powerful engagement, which is really reassuring. Let's peel this guy off. So the drone, again, itself super compact. I can't get over the size of it. It's got this built-in battery here, so that's going to make 3. This is where it docks, so it just goes in right there. And it's got sensors galore. It's got these 2 front ones, some on the bottom, some back here. Good to go. It's even got a LED light on the bottom, so for late night flights when it needs to position itself, it can go ahead and take care of that. Alright, so that is going to do it for this unboxing and first review. Next, I've got to get it charged up and get a little airtime back there. Stay tuned for that. Until then, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace.